Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my low ELO chess channel. So right now I'm sitting at 520 on chess.com and I have so far won 8 games and lost 3 games. 146 points, that's how much I've gained in the last 7 days actually, because I just created this account. So my plan is to get to 1000 ELO as soon as I can. So with that in mind, let's play one more game. So I'm playing 15-10 and let's see if I'm black. Okay, so I will just go ahead with my king side opening. Keep everything simple, no complications. Develop my pieces and don't let anything hang. So I'm trying to I've seen a lot of people take their queen out very early. Oh, yeah. See, I almost expected this. It's kind of funny. All the beginners that I'm seeing are doing this. It's not that I'm not a beginner, but okay. So right now this guy is hanging, but I just need to castle quickly. So that's why I'm after that I will protect that bishop. Okay, so attacking my bishop, I was thinking of doing this, but then it will just take my bishop, so that's not an idea. If I do this, that also doesn't help. And if I take it, I'm worried that this, okay, let's just take it. If he takes this, then that's fine. If he comes forward, then my worry is if he comes here, then he will attack my okay, this guy is going, I don't know what he's doing, to be honest with you. So if I do this, what happens then? Am I missing something here? I don't think I am. So I want to castle because this queen is okay. Okay, so I can't. I can bring this here. But if he takes it, my king moves in, so then I can't castle. So I don't want to do that. But is there a way I can block? There is no other option I have, right? If I put it here, he just takes it. There's nothing else I can do, honestly speaking. So if I take, then he has to take. and then I can, yeah, let's just do that. So still I want to castle. Yeah, I think now is the right time for me to castle. This is still hanging, but there is no immediate threat, so that's fine. So I want to bring my rook here. If he takes this, I can take with my king, so that's good. I will push his, I will kick his bishop back now, and I think I should do this, although this knight is going to... I mean, the diagonal is already there, so maybe I can do this. Okay, you over there, right? And if he takes it, yeah, so I can pin it. So if he takes this, I take this pawn. Okay, so let's pin this guy. Now he can't move, and then put some pressure on him. I can do something like this. How about this? Give him a check. So what I am thinking is get this here and then get this guy here to protect the pawn, and then I will exchange this, and then when he takes with this I will give him a check, and my second rook is here, so I think that's a pretty good pressure on his king. Oh, he disconnected. Come on, man, that's not cool. What the hell? So yeah, moral of the story, you have these guys who bring out their queen early on, trying to attack the king here. One thing that I learned that I will share, if you are a beginner, maybe you know this already, maybe you don't, but this pawn you should never move until you castle your king. So in one of the games, when the guy got his queen out, I got scared and I moved this pawn, and then there was a lot of disaster that happened. I still ended up winning the game, but that was a very bad experience. So since then I have learned that you should never move this pawn until you castle. So just don't move this pawn. Regardless of what happens, do not move this pawn. And once you castle, then it's fine. Then your rook is here and you can move it and it's all good. So if the queen comes here, just bring your knight here, and then the knight will, this and this is blocked. So the queen really cannot get here, and it's not very, it basically the queen poses no danger. then everything is fine. Just control the center like what I did here, right? He was the one trying to make all aggressive moves. I was just playing basic chess, like develop my pieces, protect them, don't let anything hang, and yeah. So yeah, obviously this was a disaster. I mean, not a disaster, but this was kind of an anti-climax. No point in even reviewing this game. This was stupid.